Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and today I'm going to talk to you about stalls. Stalls are something that you can do in your flow where you are pretty much bringing the star to a stop and then moving it in the opposite direction. So this is a J stall. This is an open-handed windshield wiper stall. This is like an elbow stall. And yeah, so these are just some moves that you can play around with and incorporate into other combos even. You can play around a lot with musicality, like if there's like a beat drop or something like that and you want to add a little bit of pizzazz to switch it up, you can hit one of those stalls, go into something else. One of my favorite stalls is to go from an open hand windshield wiper into an around the world. So yeah, I just encourage you guys to play around with the stalls, see what you can do. I would say that these go hand in hand with body breaks because they are also switching directions, but it does add a little bit of a different element. I would say that these are a little bit different because the star is fully open and reversing direction. So another one that you can do is the double-handed stall where you're catching it and literally flipping it the opposite way. Stalls are something that I think are super cool that you can do in your flow and kind of add some different pizzazz. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. I just say play around, have fun, try different things and see what works for you in your flow. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see some more, please like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.